So for those of you who joined us earlier in the week for the What's in the Workshop video, you may have seen this XFR-S in the background. Lovely colour. One of the biggest estate versions as well, a little bit rarer to see. And we said we were going to show you what it's doing on the dyno once all the upgrades are done. Remember, this has had exhaust upgrades, it's had some mechanical repair work done to it as well, some maintenance and servicing, upper pulley, it's had the lower pulley, it's had the Paramount Performance cold air induction kit. So hopefully you'll hear the supercharger screaming away at the front with that wonderful intake whine. But of course, with exhaust mods, it's quite loud out the back as well. This has just put down over 650 horsepower. That's 650 horsepower and over 910 newton meters of torque. This is an absolute animal of a 5-litre V8 engine. All that going through the rear wheels. It's an absolute monster of a car. So I'm going to shut up now so you can hear it run. Let's take it away. Not too bad, is it? So, thank you for watching the video. Remember to stay tuned to our socials for more work in the workshop, whether it's vehicles we're doing like this, or even just normal remapping, whether it's a Ford Fiesta, Fiat Punto, or you've got your Ferrari booked in with us, doesn't matter. Check out our socials, you'll see all of the work going on, even some stuff coming soon on some of our Defender upgrades as well. So, thanks for watching, stay tuned.